Hello. Alright, so I am new. So, yeah, so I don't know, it's just I'm so nervous. Cameras. Anyways, if you're new here, you should be new here because I just started this channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. That's what normal YouTubers say. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. But anyways, this is a channel where there's not going to be any editing, no. Because I don't know how to do that, so I'm not going to edit anything. So, yeah. So today, I'm going to be doing a slime review. I'm gonna be doing the slime review. Let me get it out of its packaging. Got it. This is the slime. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the barcode though. I'll show you what it says. I know, she's shaky. Anyways. Okay. That was smooth, to be honest. Oh, come on. Sticky start. Hopefully the slime isn't like this. Don't break that. Of course. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna feel. Oh, okay. It's not as sticky. I would have. If here, let me check the packaging to see if they had. Ooh, the smell is like it smells like oranges. Oh wait. Alright, let's see if it can activate her because as you see right here, it is a little sticky. I would change it a bit. But besides from that, I love it and it's great quality. I wouldn't recommend it because like it's very sticky. Like it's a little sticky but not that much. Like you see here. Like it's not that big of a deal. I mean we could activate her. We could put activator in it, but that wouldn't change how our review would be. I did not know there was little bats in here. It kind of reminds me of Batman's. Little Batman. You know when they shoot up the star, that little signal to show that Batman's calling them. Yeah. Have you guys ever watched the movie Batman? I've never watched it, but leave that down below if you watch the movie. Batman. I know I said straight. I'm not gonna edit that though, cause this channel there's nobody perfect, so I'm not editing. That's why. I know how to edit. black slime comes in a weird container, which is really weird. Alright, get it out of its packaging. And let me just, right, there we go. Panicking all over. See how weird this ring looks? It did not look like this in the pictures, which I was like very shocked. It doesn't even come out of the freaking bottle. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so this is all. Ew, what is this? I know it's supposed to be cloud slime. Ew. This is disgusting. I'm not going to touch any more of that. Oh yeah. That is just gross. It is sticky. I would not recommend this. So, let me go get the other ones, because right now I only have 2 in my room, so I'll be right back. Oh, hello, kitty. Hello, Pepper. My cat is looking at me like I'm a freaking psycho. But that's okay, because okay. Alright. Oh, I shouldn't have shown you. Alright. So, first I'm going to show you one I did not show you. So, ooh. Looks like it's crunchy slime. If you can hear the crunch, I obviously don't hear it. Only like if I make little bubbles. But if, here we go. Oh, I feel the crunch now. Right. Now, I was just squishing it. Now we need to see if it stretches. It's a little stretchy. It's kinda like putty, but it's okay. Like if I maybe added some lotion or some baking powder. Not baking powder. I could only a little bit, because then it would turn out like white, and I don't want that. Alright, next one. I wouldn't recommend this, but only if you are a putty lover instead of a slime lover. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Right, so this is from Slime. Whenever I'll show you guys something, it comes out backwards. Whoa. What the heck? Okay, this is definitely not slime. It's like this little squishy material, which is gross. No comment. What the heck? It looks so much like the order I ordered, but it's not slime. It's this jiggly stuff. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what to describe it, because it's not putty. Because body does not. It's not like this. I don't know to describe this. So I'm really disappointed because I really liked how this slime looked. But if you guys like this squishy stuff, I don't. It's just a little too weird for me, and what? If you guys like this, I would recommend it. But for me, I would call it a no-go. Alright. I have a couple more to show you guys, and then I am done. Here is my other one. This one feels nice. Ooh, this one is very nice. And yes, it did come in a package, but I opened it because I don't want to waste too much time opening the package. This one I would recommend. It is like the pictures, and yeah. I need to get the other ones. They're here. Yeah. And that really just happened. Alright, great. I will be right back. I'm gonna be staying in the same room. It's just way up here. Alright. Got my next one. Alright, I'm gonna try this one really fast. Ew. It's not even freaking slime. It's like this goop. It's called Ohana. It's not even real slime. I'm very disappointed. So, do you guys... This reminds me. Do you guys watch the Ohana family? Do? Tell me down below. Comment. Okay, let me just... Next slime. Right. This one came from the package and it was dented. Like, raise me. I ordered 2 of the and when that happened, and it came the same, but even wetter. This one I would not recommend since I ordered it 2 times and it did not work. Really disappointing. I was looking forward to these times, and some of them were just whoops. I'm gonna put the whoops and poops. Right, this one was a whoops, this one was a poops, and this one was a like okay whoops. Right, next we have this one. My final one. I really like this one. It looks very nice. Whoa. It's not sticky, but it's not. It's like a weird texture. Here, I will pour it out. It's not sticky, it's like sticky plus not sticky, no. There's a couple of disappointing things. Some beads. This one stays on my fingers. Pretty disappointing. But besides that, I would give this one like a whoopsie boops. No, maybe baby. So those are all the slimes I'm going to be doing today. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe, follow, and turn on those post notifications. It would really help me out because I just started this channel. Beside that, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.